Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix household problem. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, Netflix says your TV isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. So this message means Netflix wasn't able to associate your TV with your Netflix household. So if you are signed in to Netflix from a device that's not part of your Netflix household, you may need to verify your device to watch Netflix. To fix this issue, you can simply create an account and then update your Netflix household. Now, if you are signed in to a TV that's part of your Netflix household, but you see this error, then you will need to verify that the TV you are using is part of your Netflix household. To do this, you will need to mobile or phone tablet with camera or Wi-Fi connection. Now what you need to do here is verify that your TV is part of your Netflix household. When prompted on TV, select update Netflix household, then select troubleshoot this TV, then open the camera on your mobile device and point it at the TV screen to scan the QR code. Then tap on next, and once you are done with that, and this should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.